Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here for our drawing of the day. Today I am doing something I meant to do before Easter because I thought it would be really cute for Easter to do a chick, but I didn't get around to it. So today we are doing a little teeny tiny baby chick. To do this, we're gonna start, well, I'm starting with Sharpie on paper, but you guys definitely start with pencil and eraser just in case you make a mistake. And you can work on paper with crayons or canvas if you have paint. Work with whatever you have at home. So to start our chick, I like to do a big round circle like this, but I leave a teeny little bit up here at the top. So I'm leaving a little opening in the chick's head because I am going to be putting in a little fluffy hair like that. And then after you have your little fluffy hair, I'm going to go ahead and put my chick's teeny tiny little beak. So to do the little beak, I'm just going to do a little frown, like a little curve like this. And then put the letter V underneath. And then I'm gonna put really big eyes with super sparkles. So I might even put like 3 sparkles because these are so big. So I'm gonna put like some sparkles in my eyes, and then I'm gonna color in the rest of the eye that isn't a sparkle with my Sharpie. Super cute. And then if you guys want to like add in like eyelashes, you guys are always welcome, or put a little like bow in its hair, or a little like tiara or hat or something. You guys can always add little extra details if you like. So after we have the big sparkly eyes on there, we're gonna go ahead and do the body. So the body is not gonna be really big, but it is gonna be really round. So chicks are really small, so I don't like to make their bellies really big. I like to make their belly almost the same size as their head. That makes it look like a baby. So I want to make sure this chick looks tiny. So I'm doing the circle for the belly about the same size as the head. Now, I'm gonna let you guys decide if you wanna do the wings in or out. I'm gonna show you both ways. So the chick needs a wing on each side of its body. If you want the wings to be in, swoop, swoop, swoop towards like the belly, like inside like this. But if you want the wings out, swoop, swoop, swoop away from the body. So now it almost looks like the chick is waving at you, right? But you can do both wings out or both wings in, or one and one, you know, however you want to do it. But there's how you do an in wing and an out wing. Now to do the chick's teeny tiny little baby feet, I'm just gonna do 3 little swoops like that. And mine kind of looks like, if you put the other foot kind of up a little bit, looks like he's kind of like maybe tilting a little bit. It's kind of cute. So that's it. Like, this is like one of the easiest animals you can do. A chick is super simple. To color a chick, I always like to do mine with like yellow. But if you guys want to make this like a little baby bluebird or something, you guys can always paint it different colors. Another thing I sometimes do, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint, I wish I was painting, but I'm coloring. Another thing you guys can do is if you wanna like add like, sometimes, where's my pink? Sometimes I add like little rosy cheeks to my chicks. Sometimes I'll just put like a little pinky or peachy kind of color on the cheeks. That's kind of cute. So you guys can do that if you want. Also, if you have accessories, you can paint those any color you want. Make a fun background too. Maybe this chick is at a party, or maybe you've got a big barn in the background with like a sunny sky, or maybe you can put some other animals back here. That'd be kind of fun. So it look like the chick's on the farm. But if you make your chick yellow, that means that I typically do make my bird beaks and feet, like the little beak and feet of my birds. I usually make them yellow, but because a chick is yellow, then I don't like to do that. So I'm gonna show you what I typically do for chicks is I switch the beak and the feet to like more of an orange color. So here I've got like the whole like chick colored yellow. Let me find my orange. Okay, so I've got orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the beak and the feet orange. And I'm gonna show you another thing I like to do. Because the chick is like all one color, sometimes I will take like a shade darker than this color, so it's yellow. So I'm using kind of like a dark yellow, and I'm gonna shadow a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell on the screen if this is showing up, but sometimes I like to shadow a little bit, like in here. So even where the head and the body touch, I'm just gonna kind of blend a little bit darker color in here so that you can kind of see the difference where these two colors meet. So I'm just gonna kind of like fade it out. So I'm pushing really lightly just so that there's like a little shadow here, and I can even do like a little shadow on this side of the wing too. Here, and if I wanted to put a little shadow in the hair, maybe I'll put like a couple little shadows in the hair. You guys can like just add little accents to make this look a little more realistic. All right, so there you have it. There's our adorable baby chick. Super easy, one of my easiest drawings, but it's still so cute and so fun to draw. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will be back here tomorrow at 1 p.m. with another video of the day.